In previous episodes, we learned that time as we know it does not exist in the block universe, but parallel universes called multiverses allow for different futures. Quantum physics determines these various possibilities. This raises the question of whether quantum physics is present in living beings or biology. Until recently, the idea of quantum states existing in biology was almost dismissed due to the belief that biological systems were too warm, wet, and messy. However, scientific researchers are now seriously investigating this concept. Quantum biology remains a controversial discipline, but this article will present 3 areas where it is likely to be found: photosynthesis, bird navigation, and olfaction. Photosynthesis is the area with the most established presence of quantum biology. Plants use energy from sunlight in a surprisingly efficient process, converting it into electrical energy in leaves composed of electrons. Just as the quantum cat can be both dead and alive simultaneously, it appears that electrons in plants can also utilize the quantum property called superposition. Instead of being dead or alive, electrons would exist in different places at the same time. Without this quantum effect, electrons would move too slowly through the leaf. An experiment using a microscope technique called spectroscopy, involving a laser light directed into a photosynthetic complex and measured by the microscope, provided evidence of a quantum effect. This experiment demonstrated how electrons could indeed be simultaneously present in different locations within the leaf. However, there is still debate over how to interpret these results. Another area where quantum biology is presumably present is bird navigation. Birds can navigate across countries, continents, or even greater distances. Biologists once believed that birds had a classical compass within their cells to follow the Earth's magnetic field, but this has been proven wrong, and the exact mechanism remains a mystery. Some experiments have shown that very weak radio waves can completely disrupt their sense of direction, leading to the belief that quantum biology may explain how birds navigate. Olfaction is a third domain where quantum biology is being studied. Most researchers believe that our sense of smell is solely related to the shapes of molecules matching receptors in our noses. However, the human nose has only 300 types of receptors, while humans can detect around 10,000 different smells. This discrepancy has led some scientists to suggest that the same molecule could produce different smells based on its vibrational properties, thanks to a quantum effect. This theory could explain how humans can detect such a vast array of smells. Physicist and Nobel Prize winner Roger Penrose proposes another theory in quantum biology, stating that the human brain can understand concepts that a computer cannot, and the only part of physics known to be non-computational is quantum physics. Therefore, Penrose suggests that there are quantum processes within our brains. The demonstration that the human brain can understand things that a computer cannot is based on Gödel's theorem. In short, computers understand math, so if there is a mathematical statement that cannot be proven by math, it means a computer cannot understand it. For example, the sentence, "This statement is false," can be neither true nor false, and the sentence, "This statement cannot be proved," can only be true. These examples can be transformed into mathematical statements that a computer cannot understand, but humans can. If some statements cannot be mathematically proven but can be understood by humans, it would suggest that the human brain can perform non-computational processes. Roger Penrose claims that because the only non-computational process in physics is quantum physics, there must be quantum biology processes within brain neurons. This article has shown that a significant amount of research is being conducted to investigate the presence of quantum physics in biology. In the previous episode, we saw that quantum physics allows for different futures. If quantum biology exists, could it have an effect on the different futures of humans? Could microscopic behaviors influence macroscopic behaviors? We will attempt to answer these questions in the next episode.